Load your family into the 2014 Jeep Cherokee. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.